Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. From any screen, you've got Navi here, or we can click the store here. Click the store and then go along to map, select map, like so, or just click Navi there. Doesn't show a whole lot there, but if you click the rotary control backwards, like so, it brings up this other menu, and we want destination. Select destination, click the rotary control, address entry, click again. United Kingdom. Now, the most important thing is here you've got country, town, street. You can go on forever. So you just turn the rotary control or knock it backwards there till you get to postcode, highlight postcode, click on the rotary control, and then we're Grosvenor Garage. Turn the rotary control till you get to the letter you want. So we're PR54. It's gone back to the alphabet E, A, PR54E8. It's there, nothing happens. So you've got to press this again. So you highlight that. Now I can go to street and then number, but you know, that's going to get me close enough. So just take it over there to continue, turn the rotary control to continue, click OK. And there you go, you've got route 1, and we've got start here. So select start.
Prepare to turn right.
That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.